Hello, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads, and I'm here for a paper pumpkin unboxing. I just received this box in my mailbox, got it in the house, ripped the cover off, and here we go. Calypso Coral Stampin' Spot. Oh, these stamps are great. Hello, thinking of you. Love you a whole bunch. You are the sweetest. You're the pick of the crop. It looks like lavender, strawberry seeds, and some blueberries. Blueberries are my favorite. And a preview of next month. Can hardly wait for that one as well. Stampin' Dimensionals. Looks like linen thread. A cute little bag. Cheese. Strawberries and blueberries and some tags. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets of those. Envelopes with a spot for the address. That's really cute. Okay, and they're lined with stripes. And here are the card bases. So some nice berry baskets and tomatoes, I think, in the background. Love those tomatoes and the berries. Ooh, this pattern here is fantastic. Reminds me of that New Horizons paper we just had, which is retired, so nice to get another bit of it here. Oh, it looks like a little picnic blanket. Very cute. We have a sheet of vellum here with some banners with scalloped edges. Some vellum shapes, oh, like some little signs. Some more die cuts. I've got bread and then the berries. 2 sheets of those. Oh, look at the cute garden cart. It's adorable. There's 2 sheets of those with the lavender. And some glue dots. And then there's the suggested ways to put them together. It'll be fun to come up with some other versions of these. I adore this month's pick of the crop kit. Be on the lookout for my alternatives. Thanks for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.